If you've ever lost a potential client because they didn't think your company was big enough to handle what they were doing, then this episode is for you. 1017 of the Daily Sales Message podcast, where every single day I share a piece of simple and actionable advice that's designed to help you feel more confident and sell more stuff too. Now, I'm going to avoid all of the size matters styles, easy jokes and puns, but keep your minds out of the gutter for this one, please. I've dealt with a lot of clients, and I've had this experience myself because I'm a small business where I've gone to work with somebody and they're not sure because it's a small business, which kind of implies risk in some way. If there are not many people, or it's just you, it's a small business, there's an implied risk that, can you do it? Have you got the capacity? Have you got the expertise, etc.? And this is one of those things where it may or may not come up overtly as somebody will say it to you, but it's definitely there. So the couple of ways that I get around it and I kind of seed it into my messaging is through volume. So first of all, I will tell you that I've had over 500 clear sales message clients. So I've done this many, many times. Second one is I've got over 500 LinkedIn recommendations from happy people. So you can check me out and you can see that people are happy with what I do and I can deliver. I then have over 200 examples of my clear sales message work and what it will look like for you specifically. Oh, and by the way, if you want to kind of check out my methodology, which has over 900 components, by the way, then you can listen to my podcast, this podcast, which has over 1,000 episodes. So even though I am a single person business, just little old me here at Clear Sales Message Towers, I've got a huge amount of work, a huge amount of credibility, and a huge amount of provenance, I think is the right term, where you can do your research, you can do your homework, and you can see if actually I can help you or not. So that's what you need in your business. Can you talk about big numbers, capacity, activity levels, anything that's going to reassure people that despite being a small business, you can definitely help them? Bake it into your messaging, because whether you're asked directly or not, the small business problem will definitely rear its head at some point if you are a small business.